Natural resource can be categorized into four parts: on the basis of origin, on the basis of continuity in supply, on the basis of development and use, on the basis of distribution. On the basis of origin, it can be classified into two groups: biotic resource and abiotic resources. On the basis of continuity, renewable and non-renewable, actual and potential. Abiotic factor refers to non-living physical and chemical elements in the ecosystem. Abiotic resources are usually obtained from the lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Example of abiotic factors are water, soil, sunlight and minerals. Biotic factors: living or once living organisms in the system. These are obtained from the biosphere and are capable of reproduction. Example of biotic factors: animals, birds, plants, fungi and other similar organisms. Factor such as birds, plants, fungi and other similar organisms. Renewable. These resources are renewed or replenished by nature in a short span of time. While non-renewable, these resources may not be replenished by nature or take very long geological time to be formed again. Renewable, often these are available continuously like solar energy, water, etc. Renewable resources can be divided into continuous or flow. Non-renewable, these resources are exhausted after use. Example: fossils, etc. Non-renewable can be recyclable or non-recyclable. Up actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources whose quantity is known and used in present. Example: the rich deposit of coal in Ruhr region of Germany. Potential resources whose quantity is not known and used in the future. Example: high speed winds were a potential 200 years ago. Today, they are actual resources, and wind fans generate energy using windmills like in Netherlands. On the basis of distribution, ubiquitous resources are the resources which are found everywhere. Example: air is the ubiquitous resources found everywhere. Localized resources are those which are unevenly distributed across the world and are only concentrated in certain regions. Example: coal, copper.